Did you know that avocados are considered a superfood? That's right. In today's video, we're going to explore the 9 amazing health benefits of avocados. 1. Rich in nutrients. First up, avocados are very high in nutrients. One avocado contains around 14% of the daily recommended potassium intake, which supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and aids in muscle function. The healthy fats in avocados also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. 2. Keto-friendly. Avocados are incredibly keto-friendly, with only 2 grams of net carbs per cup. This makes them an excellent choice for those following a ketogenic diet, providing healthy fats and nutrients without spiking blood sugar levels. 3. High in healthy fats. An avocado has about 21 grams of monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health. Monounsaturated fats are also known to support healthy brain function and overall cellular health. 4. Fiber-rich. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation, lower blood sugar levels, and even help you feel fuller for longer. 5. Supports gut health. The soluble fiber in avocados can be fermented by your gut microbes, producing beneficial compounds like butyric acid, which is good for insulin levels, blood sugar control, and colon cell health. Soluble fiber also promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, supporting overall gut health. 6. Phytonutrient powerhouse. Avocados are rich in phytonutrients like carotenoids and phytosterols. Carotenoids, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, have been shown to help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Phytosterols, on the other hand, have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health. 7. Great for eye health. One avocado contains around 370 micrograms of lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining optimal eye health. 8. Supports healthy skin and hair. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, with one avocado providing around 20% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage, supports collagen production, and promotes a youthful glow. 9. Heart healthy. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that incorporating one avocado per day into a moderate fat diet can help improve cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of heart disease. This is due to the combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants found in avocados. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips and insights.